Morning.
Morning, morning.
How are you?
Bit of a rough track on the way down.
Yeah, a little bit. A water llama. What are you talking about?
You'll see it when you see it. It's definitely a water llama.
Yeah.
Second one.
Yeah.
And you got that dead tree like further down, like the biggest one of the lot.
Yeah.
In the middle, just on the top of the surface.
See it? Where the sun's hitting the water there, maybe.
Do you think it's a water llama? Looks like a llama, doesn't it?
For sure. For sure, dude. Absolutely, that's a water llama.
You better put this on YouTube. This hit will get. This will be.
Mate, the water llama is real.
Just like the fact. Hey.
Hey.
I guess you. Kayak.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's on ya. I'm not going to spot it.
That's a big bastard, that one.
If I spotted that,
Only battered him into a kayak.
just put a rod in the back.
See, you're probably not even going to get a line in, what
Yeah, it'd just be like.
Just be paddling.
I'll catch all the fish that you guys don't.
G'day everyone, welcome to the Fisherman's Office. My name's Lee. If you're tuning in for the first time, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell to receive notifications for new videos. I'm down at Bluerock Lake trying out my new bass jigging outfit. If you haven't seen the video regarding that one, I'll leave a little card up here for you guys to see. I'm down with my cousin Alan, who's just behind me here, and another cousin Benny. He's in the rent-a-kayak this morning in the banana. We'll try and get them onto their first bass, and we'll see how we go. This is the first fish of 2021. Let's make it a good one. That fish is annoying me. So we get this lonesome sweeper to work. I'm on. Go on, fellas. Straight away. Straight away. On the lonesome sweeper. Whee! Look out, fella. Alright, guys. First bass of the morning. Just a little tacker on the lonesome sweeper. Got that one from Hook Up Bait and Tackle, my local tackle shop. If you want to check their website out, I'll leave links below and everything as well. Yeah, nice little guy. Have a look at the eyes on these things. I love these bass. They look so bloody good. Awesome looking fish. Couldn't resist it. Was only in the water for about 3 seconds. Benny the bass slayer has gotten a redfin. First fish he's got in 2 years on the banana rent-a-kayak. Hey, he's not a bad redfin, man.
Yeah.
Like, a lot of them are really stunted, but I think they're going to start getting bigger numbers. This is about the same size that I saw earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a good size. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's on a, what is it? A Keytech Swing Impact in AU colour. So there you go. Kick off. Just let his mouth go. Here we go. Beautiful. Right, so we're about close enough where I am. You can get a cast up and around that rock there.
With that white shit on it.
Yep. That's not bad. It was in the right direction, that's for sure. It should do fine. That was good, Benny. All right, now let it sit there. Bring up the slack in the line a little bit. Lift the rod tip up a bit. Yeah, bring the slack out again. And then just jiggle. So you sort of want to, just like you're shaking the rod tip. Yeah, that's pretty much what you want to do. You want to feel that, exactly, see that on the lure. It's not much, you see. Yeah. work on a little bit of your line slack, but that's fine. That's pretty much all you need to do. So you just want to shake it a few times, sit, let it sit there for ages.
Oh, I get what you're saying.
Hey?
I get what you're saying, so like cast it in.
Yeah, cast it in, let it sit there for a while, because they get drawn by that impact on the water. They're like, what the f is that? They come up to it. And a lot of the time you don't even have to do anything. You can just sit it there and they go whack. Anyway. Yes! Oh, he came off. Oh. That's good, man, though. You're doing the right thing then.
I saw a bit of movement not long after it hit the water.
Did you,
Just as I twitched it, he come back again.
yeah, okay. Did you strike when it hit, or did you let it load up first?
Oh, it didn't really load up fully.
Yeah.
Probably could have waited a second or two longer.
Yeah.
A bit excited, I think.
Yeah, you definitely get that. Cloud covers starting to push over, which is good. Starting to see some fish activity. It's been a bit warm and sunny and a bit too much this morning. So, well, that's throughout the middle of the day. So we came in, had some snags and a sanger and some water, and we're just listening to Mark across the other side of the lake here. Every crow, their name is Mark. It's a pisser. Mark! Mark! This bloke here comes up with the stupidest shit sometimes. It just makes you laugh every time. Oh, it's always one, exactly right. In our family, there's one in every square metre. Oh, oh. Oh. Yep. Whoa, that's snap me rod, man. Now it's still on though. Jesus Christ, he went straight under. Oh, dude, that fucking sucks. That fucking sucks. Jesus. Oh. First fucking bass on a jig, and it snaps me fucking rod clean in half. Oh, fuck you, dude. But thank you. It's not even that big either. Oh, I'm fucking Devo. He just went the wrong way, man.
Yeah, it definitely did.
Well, that's a fucking bittersweet victory. Pinned him good though.
It's nice looking fish.
Both. Oh, there's a victory for a one to me, one to the bass, I guess. Am I even recording? I am recording. Snap me new rod. Good fish. He just went the wrong way, eh?
Yeah.
He just went whoop straight down. Yeah. I did grab the spool too. Maybe that's it. I grabbed the spool because I was too worried about him going in there.
Yeah.
And then I just thumbed it and it went bang, snap straight away. Fucking hell. G'day, bro. You snapped me new rod, you arsehole. He's giggling. Oh, far out. You can go home now. First time I'm out with it.
That's unbelievable. First fish.
Jeez, it went hard.
It did, didn't it? Yeah.
It just went, I'm like, oh, it's going. And I was just, oh. Oh, there goes my Christmas present. Hey? Oh, dude, I want to cry.
Yeah, that's bad, isn't it?
Oh, first fish on it, and it rails me, and then fucking straight away, just pop the rod. Whoa, oh, I got him. Little bugger. I was not even paying attention. I just heard the bloom and then I saw the steez going ee, like this. I'm like, oh, I'm actually on. Hilarious. Oh God. A weeny little bass. Weeny little bass. Of about, I don't know, what's that, 15 centimetres? See you, buddy. Back at home. It was really good to catch up with Ben and Al for a fish. I haven't done that for a long while. Had some time to lick me wounds about me rod, of course. A bit of a shame. The Dobbins is dead. But you know what that means. Back at my favourite spot to go spend money. If you like the video, guys, drop a thumbs up on it. Subscribe, all that sort of fun stuff. Sorry, the highway. I'll see you in the next one. Just keep flicking.